How to download the Ring application on Android. Hey guys, and let's get started. If you want to download and install the Ring application on your Android device, it is quite simple. So to get started, first of all open the Play Store or App Store on your Android or iPhone. Now tap on the search bar on the top and then tap in Ring app. Once you do so, you will see a list of applications. Make sure to select on the first one, which is Ring Always Home. Now tap on the install button. This will automatically start the download on your device. This will take a total of 107 MB of storage or space on your Android device. Once the download is completed, the installation will automatically start. Once the installation is also completed, you will see the open button pop up. After that, just tap on the open button and the application will open. Now you can simply use the Ring application. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.